Divisibility and factors. This quiz question asks us which number is divisible by 3. So before you pull out a calculator, there's actually an easier way, right? But you have to know the divisibility rules. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits add up to a number that's divisible by 3. For example, let me try the first one. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So 138, right? We add up the sum of the digits. So 1 plus 3 plus 8, that's equal to 12. Now it's 12 divisible by 3. Yes, it is. Divisible just means it could go in without a remainder, and that is the answer, right? So you find one that works, that's it, right? There's seriously, the others won't work. Why? Because 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 is not divisible by 3. 1 plus 3 plus 6 is equal to 10. And 10 go into 3? No. 10 is not divisible by 3. 3 doesn't go into 10 evenly, so it doesn't work. And just to show you, voila, that is the answer. So before I let you go, also know that 138 is a so 3, because it's 130 is divisible by 3. 3 would be also a factor of 138, right? So factors are all those numbers that number is divisible by. So 3 is indeed a factor of 138. So the divisibility rules are extremely important. And if you ever forget, I'll show you this graphic. You don't have to memorize it. You can even write it down. So if the last digit is even, it's divisible by 2, right? And what does divisible mean? Able to divide it evenly with no remainder. So if you look at 3, you'll see that's just the one we did. The sum of the digits is divisible by 3. And for 4 is the last two digits form a number that's divisible by 4. 5 is pretty easy. If the last digit is a 5 or a 0, then it's divisible by 5. For 6, if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then that number is divisible by 6. 7, don't worry about it. You won't get a question that asks you what's divisible by 7. But if you ever wanted to know, you could double the last digit and subtract the sum from the rest of the number and set an answer that is divisible by 7. So as you can tell, it's a little bit confusing. Okay, that's the only one you really don't have to memorize. For 8 is the last three digits form a number that is divisible by 8. And for 9, the sum of all digits is divisible by 9. That's a lot like 3, divisibility by 3 rule. And for 10, the number ends in 0. I hope this table helps you.